Jay, make your movies.
Ooh, man, oh man, oh man. How big is this, y'all? Fam, our prayers have finally been answered. Like, this is big, y'all. This is game changing. As for you over at Nike, Jordan brand, please do not stop here.
Nope.
Keep them coming, man. Keep them coming. Because it's about to be chaos, y'all. We got first looks. Let's talk about it. YouTube family. I'm back, man. I'm back with a double upload. Look, y'all. Look. I said, no, we cannot wait. We got to talk about this now, man. We got some breaking news, some shocking photos, and bro, I'm ecstatic, bro. I'm hyped. I'm pumped. Y'all know I might need me 3 of these. I might need me 3 of these when they come around, y'all. We have officially seen a revealing of a shoe that I feel like top 3. Already top 3. I'm saying it from right now. I don't know what the holiday release is as far as Jordan 11s. We might get Gamma Blues. I have no clue what we gonna get, but I already know this shoe here is top 3. I don't care what nobody say. We gonna talk about it here in a second, man. Shout out to Sneakerheads, by the way, too. Let me go ahead and clarify that and let y'all know this is where I got this info and of course details from, man. But yo, man, going crazy, man. If this is your first time stopping through, glad to have you rocking out with your boy Jay. I would love for you to stick around, hit that subscribe button down below, as well as if you are a member of the fam, real quick, scroll down, double check, make sure that you are still subscribed, because I can't tell y'all how many people I've seen in the comment section saying how YouTube has unsubscribed them just out of the blue and they had to resubscribe, man. So make sure, double check real quick that you're still subscribed, and if you are new and you do hit the subscribe, make sure you leave a comment down below, let me know that you are new so I can welcome you in the right way. You know what I'm saying? We always want to give warm welcomes over here to the fam, and shout out to the OGs and everyone else as always. Started off by thumbs it up, man. Look, I could not hold it in. I gotta hit y'all with it, man. Look, we doing a double upload today, man. Thumbs it up for your boy Jay. Let's run it up to 2.5K. Like, if you are excited about this shoe, if you ain't excited about this shoe, man, hit that thumbs up for your boy Jay. Let's go crazy. But the shoe that I want to talk about is a shoe that I feel like has been overlooked. It has been slept on for the last 1.5 to 2 years. Why I say that is because we had iterations of this shoe released, and to this day, yes, word to the Bronze Bomber, they're not going for nothing. They're being overlooked. They might still be sitting in stores. I just don't feel like the appreciation is there. This shoe is getting overlooked, and I copped pretty much every one of them that, you know, came out because it's my favorite color blocking on my favorite silhouette, which makes it my favorite shoe. This is my favorite shoe of all time. We are officially gonna make sure you guys don't take any L's, man. Look, if you guys want to get any good info on shoes as far as release date info, stock numbers, or just anything that helps you secure pairs of shoes for retail, even guarantee secure you a pair of shoes for retail, you guys might want to check out Secret Sauce, y'all. Secret Sauce is a group, a big group that is growing daily, and they're actually having to try to tone it down because, like I said, that is why there's a wait list to get into the group, because if they didn't have a wait list, man, I mean, they would not be able to, you know, coach each and every person that comes in there individually, and that's what they are pretty much trying to do. They want to make sure that they can get the time in with whoever needs time to learn how to do X, Y, and Z over on that platform, get the information and, you know, all the details of anything that they're trying to get. So they want to, you know, make sure that they're keeping it as tight as they can, pause, you know what I'm saying, so that they can, you know, like I said, give attention and give, you know, the coaching of the people that are in that group, you know, without anybody getting overlooked, man. But they allow you to do several things, man. If you guys have been watching, or if you're familiar with the channel, I have talked about them over and over, man. I've been getting several dubs. Like, my W's have increased drastically, you know, and I can't complain with what they have done for me. So that's why I'm rocking with them, and I continue to rock with them until, you know, like, I don't even see myself when I'm gonna let it go, because like I said, I've been saving tons of money. We're rocking with Secret Sauce, y'all. Secret Sauce does have 3 plans that you can choose from. You can either be an essential member, a premium member, which I am, but I don't think I'm gonna be a premium member for too much longer because I will be the ultimate member, which is an elite member, y'all. The elite membership is, of course, the creme de la creme of it all. It guarantees you one hype, limited, any shoe pretty much, guaranteed that you want one per month. So if I wanted a pair of J Balvins, I would have been able to get those for retail. Futura Dunks, anything that is hype beyond hype, Travis Scott Canaries, you name it, I would have been able to get one of those shoes guaranteed for retail. But all the other plans, of course, essential and premium, it guarantees a lot of information that helps you towards copping shoes, sold out items, just outside of the market of shoes, and just a whole bunch of other things for retail. So they specialize in that, man. So tap into Secret Sauce today. Do not wait, man. I've been trying to tell y'all, look, my link is the only way that you can get in, y'all, because like I said, a lot of people are trying to get in, but they try to manage who they let in, and by you guys being a part of the fam, you always bypass that wait list and we get you directly in with that link. So the only way to get in, other than waiting a couple months or so, because if you go straight to the site, you're gonna be waiting some months to get in, because they do prioritize, you know, the fam and people who do already rock with them first. So if they're referred, they're gonna obviously get in, put in first over those who are just, you know, knocking at the door and are just curious. So hey, that's my gift from me to y'all, the game. Check out Secret Sauce today, man. Turn those L's into dubs, and don't wait, man. Go ahead, hit the link down below in the description and vibe out, man. And if you guys have any questions about it, you guys can send them a DM. They are always responding and, you know, coaching you through different things. So just feel free, but definitely tap into Secret Sauce, y'all. Your boy Jay Stampson. But outside of that, man, yes, like I said, we got to talk about the good news that I feel like I can't let it wait any longer. We got to get this out right now. We do got a first look, first official images. We got the shoe, we got the box of the Jordan 1 High 85 Breds. Bruh. Why are they giving me big bang Jordan 1 High lost and found vibes, baby?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now I have been preaching ever since. You guys have been too. I've been seeing it in the comments talking about how the lost and found Jordan 1s was such a hit. We love the way that this shoe turned out, the reimagined look of it, etc, etc. We all know when these dropped, it was madness. They flew. I don't remember, outside of this Jordan 1, if you guys want to let me know, comment down below, what Jordan 1 had as much hype, demand, flew as fast off the shelves as these, outside of a Travis Scott. Like this isn't a collab. Non-collab, what was the last Jordan 1 High OG to fly off shelves, sell out, people going crazy over restocks, all that stuff, man? I wait. So I was like, look, Nike and Jordan Brand might be on to something when they gave us this look, because like I said, it was a crazy release. So many people wanted them. I mean, there was a lot of pairs out there, a lot of people got them, but it still wasn't enough. It was never enough, y'all. And I mean, we know it's a Chicago color block and we've been waiting on Chicago's for forever, but I still think overall, you know, what they did with the shoe, the creativity of it, the packaging, the of course the receipt, man, it was so much detail and thought that went into these shoes, in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? And I was like, hey, you know, you can pretty much do all OG colorways this way, because all OG shoes were, you know, produced back in the 80s, you know, and stuff like that, and you can give it the same pretty much theme. All you gotta do is change the color blocking, keep it exactly like this, you know, the crumbled leather, all that stuff, and it's gonna do crazy numbers. You can bring the Jordan 1 back, and like I told y'all, hello, yes, thank you for answering our call, because with the Jordan 1 High 85 Breds, y'all, it looks like we have gotten the lost and found treatment, y'all. So where do I start, man? Like, bruh, Man, comment down below if you guys are ready for these, man. How many pairs you need, etc., etc. But we should be seeing these around November, December on the early look side of things, man. So I'm ready to fast forward through this year. I'm ready to get to these. But like I said, man, where do I start? Of course, the high 85 cut look, man. Beautiful, man. Beautiful shoe. Of course, got the same look as the reverse. Bang, which I do have right here, man. So same exact style, you know, the high cut look. I'm not the biggest fan, I ain't gonna hold you, I'm not the biggest fan of the 85 cut. I prefer just a regular, you know what I'm saying, high OG cut. We can do without the 85 stuff. And to be honest with you, when you put these next to, I don't know what it is that makes it look so different, because when you put it up next to a regular Jordan 1, the height is almost the same, but for some reason it looks way higher than what it is. But yes, outside of that, I'm just showing you guys the shape. We're gonna get that black and red base color on this type of shape, and everything pretty much looks to be the same to me. And of course, we got to expect to get that stiff leather, man. That leather that a lot of people not are really fans of, we're gonna get that leather. It's gonna be some stiff leather on that shoe, I can already tell. But like I said, I was speaking on the lost and found treatment, y'all. When you take a look at the back, the ankle collar area, it looks like they gave us the same type of like cracked leather that we do have on the lost and founds. And I'm not too sure how official the pictures are that Z Sneaker has posted. I don't see why they wouldn't put some more crackled materials in different areas of the shoe, you know. But as for right now, I can clearly see in that picture that there is definitely some cracked leather around the back ankle collar of those Breds that are set to release, man. So I'm just hoping for an identical look of the lost and founds. I'll take the cracked leather on the side panel, cracked leather on the toe box. Like, I want it to look exactly like the lost and founds. But like I said, if it doesn't look exactly like a lost and found, I'm cool as long as it looks like these images that Z Sneaker has recently posted, man. And like I said, man, Jordan brand, keep hearing us out, man. We need those in a royal. We need a royal. I'll wait until 2026. Y'all can give us the Breds next year. 2026, February, we are going to need the royals. The same way. Those reimagined royals that you gave us, undo them. We are willing to send them back. We will pack up our reimagined and we will send them back to y'all. We'll act like it never happened. Give us some royals that look just like those joints, man. But yeah, man, I'm excited, man. And outside of the shoe, the box, y'all, the box actually looks like it has been a little bit of, you know, aged. So I'm real curious to know what the story behind the shoe is and what they gonna do with it, because like I said, y'all, I wouldn't be mad if they just did a whole lost and found theme again. Give us the receipt. It was a Bred colorway that was left in somebody's basement. I'm fine with that, man. Comment down below your thoughts on that, and if you guys are excited to see those Breds return, man. And like I said, bro, bruh, that's what I wanted. I wanted that lost and found look, just moved on to different OG colorways, and it looks like we almost there, because like I said, that isn't a high OG, that is a high 85, but I'm not complaining. Beggars can't be choosers, and I'm fine with that, man. So that was some breaking news from Z Sneakerheads today, and I want to know how you guys are feeling about that. That's my favorite silhouette, and of course colorway of all time. So my favorite shoe, man. And like I was telling you guys, I don't think y'all gonna do these like the last couple ones, huh?
Nope.
Bang! Cause these kinda got no love, and when I say kinda, these they got a little bit of love, you know. They're actually starting to go up a little bit as of right now, but these, man, the women's exclusive, which are fire, man. These satin Breds got no love, y'all. These still at outlets. People are still just overlooking them, going for $90. Like, bruh, y'all don't do the Breds like that, man. But I'm telling you, these reimagined Breds that are coming out the high 85, yeah, go on and give them the satin treatment. Yeah, just leave them in the, yeah, let them go to the outlets. Give them the satin treatment. Give them the patent Bred treatments. Although these sold out, I mean, I feel like it wasn't a hard obtainable shoe. Those high 85 Breds, y'all, forget about it. It's done. It's done. They gone. What's today's date? We in May, y'all. We are in May, and those are already sold out, man. But February 14th is the date on those, man. February 14th, I want to say 180. They might boost it up to $200. I don't know, but I wouldn't be surprised. But very excited to see those, man. We got special packaging. We got the special look that we want on the shoe, man. So they might call them the reimagined Bred High 85. I don't know, man, but I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Outside of the Breds, y'all, look, your boy Jay just got back from the Just Nice Sneaker Convention. If you haven't checked out my vlog, man, where I linked up with, you know, all the homies, I mean, plenty of them in the video, man. Check it out, man. We had a good time out there. I picked up a double up on some shoes. Speaking of double up too, I will hit y'all with my double ups, man. I gotta get y'all that video that I've been doing. I gotta keep that little series going of showing y'all the shoes that I've doubled up so far, and we halfway through the year pretty much, and I don't even think I've done any this year. I did one in December, and that was my last one, so we gonna do that video as well. And make sure that you guys are traveling the right way, man. I've seen a lot of Soul Premise orders coming through, man. Look, I'm telling y'all, I don't be capping, man. I went out to the event, and I predicted it. I said, look, when I go out to this event, I know I'm gonna see some Soul Premise bags, y'all, and little did I know, I seen like 4 or 5 of them, y'all, man. So I mean, y'all definitely check out Soul Premise's bags. It is the best way, the only way that you should be traveling or moving around. And like I said, y'all, I didn't know that I needed a bag until I got a bag, and I was like, bro, this thing is so handy. Like, just like I said, man, they have different sizes, shapes, colors. Like, they have stuff on there that I don't even know about. So I'm actually about to revisit that site, and I might cop me something else out there, because I saw a couple bags this weekend, and I was like, bro, I didn't even know that was available. But I do have a promo code down below that will save you almost half off on one of those bags. So take advantage of that while that's still there, because they might go down to 30%, they might go down to 25%, man. So if you want to get a gift for yourself, you want to get a Father's Day gift, or any type of gifts for anyone, y'all, tap into Soul Premise, man. They have different shapes, sizes, colors. You won't, you know what I'm saying, be disappointed with anything that you do get from there. But outside of that, like I said, y'all, I'm ready for February 14th to be here. Valentine's Day, is it gonna be a massacre? It's gonna be crazy, I know that much, y'all. Like, and I'm curious, what day does Valentine's Day drop on, y'all? Ooh, so Valentine's Day drops on a Friday, so I don't know. I think that date might be subject to change. I don't know if they want to drop that big of a release on a Friday, but hey, it's no telling, man. Nike and Jordan Brand has done it before, and that won't be their last time. So we'll see when it comes around, but I'm excited, man. We got lost and founds looking like Breds, bro. Like, hey, comment down below how you feel about it. But outside of that, I'll be back at y'all tomorrow. Y'all stay blessed. Make sure y'all go ahead and check out Soul Premise. Check out Secret Sauce, man. Turn them L's into dubs. I'm trying to get y'all the game. But that is it for this one. I'm out. See y'all tomorrow, man.